Good morning, my dear students of class 10. Now today I am going to discuss short questions and answers as per board sample questions. Okay? Now the first question. Mention the formula to calculate the BMI. How to calculate BMI? How to calculate BMI? You know, you'll have to find out the weight in kg, and then you will have to find out also height in meters. Okay? Then the formula is weight in kg, okay, divided by height in meter square. This is the formula. Now for this BMI, another question is often set, that is, you will be provided age, weight, height, then you will have to find out BMI. Not only that, you will also have to tell whether it is underweight or overweight. That is 18.5. If it is below 18.5, then it is underweight. If it is above 25, then it is overweight or obesity. So, in the exam, you will be provided age, weight and height. You will have to calculate and find out whether it is overweight or underweight. At first, you will have to find out the BMI. Okay? Now, question number 2. Question number 2. Define sustainable development. You know, you will have to learn it by heart. I am not to repeat it. You know that sustainable development means judicious use of natural resources in such a way that it not only fulfills the needs of the present generation but also of the future ones. Okay? Not only the needs of the present generation but also of the future ones. That is required here. Okay? Now, next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. So, first question is BMI, second question sustainable development, and third question, let me tell the question. What are the best ways to reduce overusage of groundwater? One of the best ways to reduce overusage, what will be the answer? Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Okay? Rainwater harvesting. That is the answer. Okay. Now, there is doubt whether you can see the writing on the board or not. So let me, no, must have to be here. If I put it, yes. Now you can see the whole board clearly, almost clearly. Okay. All right. So, next question. That is also very important question for your year. That is, you will have to learn by heart. You will have to learn by heart the 4 definitions. Okay? Define IMR, literacy rate, net attendance ratio, and last of all, life expectancy at birth. Last is life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth. These are the four definitions. You must have to learn it by heart. Four definitions. Okay? Now, sustainable development, I have already told you that it will be a long question. That why is sustainable development important? Why is sustainability important for development? In that case also you will have to give the definition of sustainable development. Now, these four definitions, you can find it in your book at the footnote on page number 10. So, you will have to learn it by heart. Still, let me discuss for once. IMR, the full form is infant mortality rate. What is IMR? IMR is the number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion to 1,000 children born in that particular year. Okay? You will have to learn it by heart. Now, literacy rate is very easy. The number of literate children to have the above 7 and above age group. Number of literate children, the 7 and above age group. Okay? Now, net attendance ratio, it is, what is the definition of net attendance ratio? Net attendance ratio is the number of children that attend the school. What is the age? 14. Okay, to the age group of 14 and 15. 14 and 15 as a percentage of children of that age group. Okay, as a percentage of children of that age group. That is the net attendance ratio. Last is life expectancy at birth. Last is life expectancy at birth. Okay, what is life expectancy at birth? This is the expected length of life. It is the expected length of life. Okay, at birth. Expected length of life. That is how many years a person lives. How many years a person lives. That is a life expectancy at birth. Okay. These are the four definitions. You must have to learn it by heart. Yes. Next question. Which one is not an important goal of our life? New question. Let me write it on the board. Otherwise you can't understand. Which one is not an important goal of our life? Not an important goal of our life. Not an important goal of our life. Not an important goal of our life. Which is not? Now, you must have to remember the word not. In most of the cases, students overlook the word not and write the wrong answer. Okay, four options are there. Number one, good education. Good education. This is number one. Number two is high salaried job. Number two is high salaried job. Number two is high salaried job. Number three, blood donation. Number three is blood donation. Always there will be four options, you know. Last one is facilities for going abroad. Facilities for going abroad. Facilities for going abroad. Going abroad. Okay? Facilities for going abroad. So you see that there are four options. Question is, which is not an important goal of our life? Which is not an important goal of our life? Okay? Now, good education, it is an important goal. No. Okay? It is an important goal. High salaried job, it is also an important goal. Facilities for going abroad, yes, of course it is an important goal. Then answer is C, that is blood donation. It is not an important goal of our life. Okay? Alright. Now let me pass on to next video. Otherwise the length of the video will be very